Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest and greatest products. Today, we're diving into the world of photo scanning with the Plustek photo scanner ePhoto Z300. If you've got a pile of old photos begging to be digitized, this might just be the solution you've been searching for. Let's start by addressing the elephant in the room. Scanning multiple photos can be a tedious task, right? Well, not anymore. The Plustek ePhoto Z300 is here to revolutionize your photo scanning experience. With its lightning-fast scanning speed and intuitive features, it's truly the best photo scanner for multiple photos available on the market today. First off, let's talk speed. The ePhoto Z300 boasts an impressive scanning time of just 2 seconds per 4x6-inch photo. That means you can blitz through hundreds, even thousands, of photos in a single afternoon. And thanks to its auto crop and deskew functionality, you'll spend less time fiddling with settings and more time enjoying your digitized memories. But speed is just the beginning. What really sets the ePhoto Z300 apart is its powerful image enhancement functions. With just a click of a mouse, you can breathe new life into old, faded photos, restoring them to their former glory. Say goodbye to red eye and hello to vibrant, crystal clear images. Now, let's talk compatibility. Whether you're a Mac aficionado or a die-hard PC user, the ePhoto Z300 has you covered. It's compatible with both Windows and Mac operating systems. So no matter what setup you're working with, you can start scanning with ease. To wrap things up, the Plustek photo scanner ePhoto Z300 is not just a photo scanner, it's a game changer. Its blazing fast speed, powerful image enhancement capabilities, and seamless compatibility make it the ultimate solution for digitizing your precious memories. So why wait? Say hello to hassle-free photo scanning with the ePhoto Z300. That's all for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more insightful product reviews. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and until next time, happy scanning.